Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use the graph of V in figure 11, which we have right here, to estimate the half-life of the viral load of patient 303 during the first month of treatment. So to estimate the half-life, we have to get 2 points on our graph, one with half of the value of V of the other. So I think the easiest one here is to get 2 points that are pretty far apart on the y-axis. So the easiest way to do that is we can do 60, which tracks right here, and 30, halfway between 40 and 20, right here. And the half-life is the distance of time between these 2 points, because this is the period of time in which the viral load is halved. So what you have to do is find the x values of these points. Now, obviously, we're just estimating, but we can see that we hit 30 around day 10, and we are at 60 around halfway between 0 and 10. So 60 at day 5, and we're at 30 on day 10. This means in 5 days, the viral load is halved. Therefore, the half-life, by definition, is 5 days.